is popularly known as the reversible drum mixer. It gives a homogeneous mix by mixing the material in one direction and unloading in the other. The machine is available in capacities of 8 cubic meters per hour, 12 cubic meters per hour, and 15 cubic meters per hour. The accurately machined gear ring and pinion gives smooth operation of the mixing drum, and the mixing drum can be turned by a simple handle mechanism to unload the material in case of power failure. The machine has been provided with 4 wheels for easy portability and has heavy-duty chassis and jacks for leveling the machine. The most advanced load cell-based weighing system is a unique feature developed by Universal. The load cells weigh the material accurately and can be used with separate weighing bins to increase the production. In the single bin mixer, the material is weighed accurately by loading one after the other. The mixer hopper with 2 bins facilitates simultaneous weighing of 2 materials. The 3-bin mixer facilitates loading of 3 different materials at the same time. A mixer with 4 bins can also be provided. A single heavy-duty hydraulic cylinder is provided to operate the hopper. The automatic water feeding system accurately disperses the set quantity of water and also has the provision to handle impure water at the site. The automatic admixture dosing system disperses the exact quantity of admixture in the concrete. The mixer can be used with the tough rider and tar crane and can also be used for pumping large volume of concrete by the concrete pump.